Hello, this is Survival Experts 101. Today we have a new video. This one is on our Swiss Army Victorinox Recruit. This one has 10 tools, and we'll show you them all. Just a quick 360 look at it. And it has a nice grip right on here, because it actually fits nice in your hand. And now we'll show you all the different things on it. So right here is the main blade on it. Read what it says: Victorinox, Switzerland, stainless steel. It's quite nice. Right there. I think it's a 2-inch blade. It's good enough. And we have an even smaller blade. Right there. It's like a letter opening knife almost. Right here we have a bottle opener. Right there, where my finger is a wire stripper, and it's a flathead screwdriver at the top. This one, we have a can opener with the blade at the top, so you can open up a can, and a small little screwdriver head at the top. And of course, every Swiss Army knife has it, at least to my knowledge. Tweezers. Amazing for getting out like thorns in you, because I've had that happen. Took it out and got them out quickly. And the toothpick. Amazing. And they also, you can get new refillable ones in case yours gets broken or something or damaged. They're $1 at theswissarmy.com. Yeah, thanks for watching our video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.